Welcome to the Tree of Knowledge. Today, we're going to tell you a story from Aesop's Fables called The Weasel and the Chickens. Once upon a time, in a cozy little chicken coop, there lived a group of happy chickens. They clucked and pecked all day long, enjoying their peaceful life. But one day, a sneaky weasel came by. The weasel was very hungry and thought, those chickens would make a delicious meal. The weasel came up with a clever plan. He rolled in flour to make himself look like a harmless chicken. The weasel sneaked into the coop, pretending to be a chicken. The real chickens were fooled at first and didn't suspect a thing. But soon, the weasel couldn't resist his hunger. He grabbed one chicken, revealing his true identity. Panicking, "It's a weasel! Run!" Instead of escaping with his catch, the weasel got greedy. He tried to grab more chickens, causing even more chaos. Greedily, "I want them all!" The noise woke up the farmer, who rushed to the coop. He saw the weasel and chased him away. "Get out of here, you sneaky weasel!" And so the chickens were safe once again. The moral of the story is, greed can lead to downfall. The weasel's greed prevented him from getting away with even one chicken. This fable also illustrates the importance of joining together. By facing our enemies together, we can be safe and protect our loved ones against dangers. Thanks for joining us for this fable. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the Tree of Knowledge channel for more fun stories and lessons. See you next time.